Hey yogis, welcome back to Shor Yoga. Again, we're going to practice another arm balance in addition to Eka Pada Koundinyasana. It's really hard to say in Sanskrit. Number 2. So same split leg arm balance. This time the torso is just going to be twisted. So again, we're going to start from our downward facing dog. Cultivate that Ujjayi pranayama, navel in, pelvic floor lifted. And we'll start with the right side. So on an inhale, bring the right leg up and back. On your exhale, you're going to bring your right knee all the way into your left tricep. You're going to bend at the elbows, and again, you're going to use them as a shelf. So you're going to use that right elbow as a shelf for your left hip. Lean your weight forward, maybe the back leg lifts, and then you can extend that right leg, point the toes. And then to come out of this, you'll simply lower that left leg down, untwist the torso, take the right leg back up into the sky. Exhale, downward facing dog. And we can try it again on the left just to even ourselves out. Inhale, take the left leg up and back. Exhale, left knee comes to right tricep. Twist the torso, bend at the elbows, use them both as a shelf. Pick up that right leg. Maybe you can extend the left for that split leg. And you can notice that my cheek is just barely grazing the ground. And then exhale, lower the leg down. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, downward facing dog. And as always, yogis, make sure to warm up your wrists. Make sure to warm up the entire body, spine, hips, core, before you attempt any of these arm balances. Always listen to your body. Namaste, yogis. Hey guys, if you like what you see, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and please leave me any feedback or requests in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow me on social media at shoryoga, SHORYOGA.